YouTube? So I got a nice little treat, man. We're going to trim some more trees today, do some pruning on some 2 badly beat up black olives. We got a North Folk pine we're gonna do, and we're gonna do a Royal Point Sienna. The Royal Point Sienna, I'm not a big fan on what the customer wants, but sometimes you gotta do what the customer wants, or you're not gonna make money and feed the family. But a buddy of mine gave me a Magnum 440, baby. So we stuck a 25-inch bar on her. I got her all tuned up, working. She wasn't working. Rebuilt the carb, rebuilt the clutch, and put her all back together. She's running. She's spitting oil. She screams like a banshee. And we're going to get some boogie going today, man. We're going to go cut this thing up. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. It'll be a short one again. A lot of me talking. So, yeah, man. Peace out. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. That's the Florinata limb that I'm going to take out. It's a little large, but there is another leader coming out of there of equal size, so hopefully we'll be able to close that up. That's all we're going to do on this today. I might take out that rubbing up there, but just so it could close. Gonna take this one out. Set up over here though real quick, because I'm gonna top this avocado. Good video, some climbing. I'm also a bucket baby too. If I could use the bucket, I'll do it. If I can't, I climb it. And what I'm saying here by equal size, so you have your collar there. So I'll probably cut it like right about there. So hopefully that will close. I'm going to take this limb out right here. This is what he wants gone. And then up here, straight up, you got that one that's kind of rubbing there. I'll take that out and that'll be it for this tree. So it can conserve its energy and send it to those 2 cuts, and it'll close up the wound. Just like it did right there and right there. There she is, babe. MS Fofo. Big girl. Alright, so here's an avocado tree. It's getting a little tall. So I'm gonna bring this stuff down, right? I'm gonna cut all this stuff down to here. And you can kind of see that this is about it's a little bit smaller, but it's about equal size. So when I cut it off, I'm gonna cut it off clean there. Hopefully that will close and the tree will still produce the fruit. The problem is that it's getting so tall, and when his avocados fall, it's hitting this root and it's destroying his root. Know what I'm saying, YouTube? So that's what we're gonna do here today for this avocado. And then, like I explained, we're gonna take out that limb and we're gonna get that rubbing. Then we're gonna move on to that next tree, which I'm not 100% sure what species it is. Then we got the pine tree, and then we got those 2 black olives and another North Folk pine out there that we're gonna take care of. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Even though I know I'm gonna come, I still always practice that nice clean cut. Remove your weight, that nice clean cut. There's your collar, everything. Nice perfect circle. That would close real well if we were gonna leave it. Snap cut! Always a good one to know. Snap cut. Heads up! Heads up! Heads up! Get out of the way! Leave that energy to come up through here and push. If I was to flushly cuff it off, it would pass it. So you leave that little bit of a collar there so it sends that energy and back through, back through, back through, back through. And that will eventually close up. So here we are, we're in these 2 black olives, and I reduced some stuff up there already. We'll let that light in. So hopefully we'll start getting some growth there. You know, reduce some off the house already. Now I gotta do some interior stuff. There's a lot of dead in here. Here's a hat rack lamp right there. I'm gonna take out real quick. Headache! See that light coming in there now? Try to flip-flop, you know what I mean? Take you to the beginning. So came in, we reduced the avocado. I explained earlier in the video why we did that, because it was messing with the guy's roof. We came over here, we eliminated this one limb on the Florinata, right? Hopefully that will close nicely, because we didn't do too much other work to it, so the energy should go there. Kind of explained in the video, I don't know if you could have heard me because of the machinery running, but you leave that kind of bottom collar there, and that will send the energy through there to close the wound. If you were to just go flush off, the energy actually just goes right past it, believe it or not. They did studies on it and everything. So this is a southern silky oak, it's called. What we did here is we removed some of the dead in it, and we also came on this side right here and we reduced a lot of it off the roof over here, and we also did some other reduction cuts on the other end. Remember, when you're making those reduction cuts, you want to make it to something of equal size. You cut back to something of equal size. Here, this was hanging way down. I could have probably, there was a branch right here that I could have jumped up and just hit. So we lifted that up, we cleaned it up. That's a beautiful tree right there. Same thing with this one, cleaned it up, took a bunch of dead out of it, and these were the two big ones. You know, I brought some light in here, and you know, he had a lot hanging over his roof. I reduced some of it. I lifted a little bit on this side, not too much though. Just one limb right up there, but over here you can see this one here is getting taken over by this one. So what I did is I came up in here and I reduced most of this stuff back so you can get some sunlight in there, so it'd start growing some stuff on this side. Same thing over here, I reduced a lot of the limbs up on these two big black olives. There's a beautiful vegetable garden back here. Nothing was harmed in the making of this video. We reduced all that back. I took a big limb off there, it was hanging way down. Get some light in there, and hopefully, you know, everything will close up nicely, and you know, hopefully it closes back and we come back in, you know, 2 years and do a little bit more. But I want to thank you all for watching. The ones who subscribe and like, I greatly appreciate you. Share it, why don't you? And we're gonna go turkey hunting this weekend. Hope you all enjoy your family this weekend. You know, nobody loves you, I do. See ya.